In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Doodle-style poll using Google Forms. Google Forms is an incredibly powerful tool for collecting information, whether you're gathering feedback, holding a survey, or simply organizing an event. Let's explore how you can use it to create a Doodle-style poll, which is particularly useful for scheduling meetings or events where you need input on preferred times or dates from multiple people. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and navigating to Google Forms. You can do this by typing forms.google.com into the address bar and pressing Enter. If you haven't signed into your Google account yet, you'll be prompted to do so. This is necessary because Google Forms integrates with your Google Drive, making it easy to store and access your forms in the future. Once you're signed in and on the Google Forms homepage, you'll see the option to create a blank form. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a new, empty form template. The first thing you'll want to do is give your form a title. Since we're creating a Doodle-style poll, a good title might be something like Meeting Availability. This makes it clear to your respondents what they are filling out. Next, you'll need to add questions to your form. Click on the field that says Untitled Question and type in your first question. For a Doodle-style poll, this will likely be something like, which date works best for you? Or, choose your preferred meeting times. Remember, the idea here is to give participants a list of options to choose from. To provide these options, you'll want to select the question type from the drop-down menu on the right of the question field. For a simple poll, multiple choice is a great option. You'll then enter the different dates or times you want to offer as choices. You can add more options by clicking Add Option below the last entry, ensuring you cover all possible times people might suggest. Additionally, it's a good idea to add a section for respondents to provide additional comments. You can do this by clicking the Add Question button on the right, selecting the paragraph type, and entering a question like, Any other preferences or notes? This allows more detailed feedback that might help you make a final decision if there's a tie or close call in preference. Once you've set up your questions and added your options, it's important to customize the appearance of your form. Google Forms offers a variety of themes, accessible via the Customize Theme button in the top right corner. Choose colors and fonts that suit your event or company's branding, making sure your form is visually engaging and easy to read. Finally, when you're satisfied with how your form looks and reads, click the Send button at the top right. This gives you several options to distribute your form, including via email, a shareable link, or embedding it into a website. Choose the option that works best for your audience, and you're ready to gather input. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the know-how to create a Doodle-style poll using Google Forms. This process is straightforward and an effective way of collating information quickly and efficiently from your group. Happy polling!